Hello, welcome to the TV room, and now, as we say, sometimes we've heard, now for something completely different. So I went out to this place because I was interested in some stuff. And it wasn't much, it was a bunch of lights, so I thought it would be cool. And when I got there, I said, wow, they have a lot of things. Maybe I should call Richard and see if he's interested. And of course, what was he interested in? Different than the things I was exactly the same thing I would have been interested in. So I'll look through. Look, little Canadian ashtrays. Isn't it beautiful? Little Canadian cups. Little Canadian cups. Now, what is this? Oh, maybe this is for a beer bottle or a water bottle. Well, it's for some sort of bottle. It is Canada, 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 Canada. Oop, Canada, Canada. The reason I'm going through this is because, who knows, there might be something here that I become intrigued with. After all, I made a long journey. Canada hat. But nothing incredibly magically special. Here's a Ziploc bag with, oh, I think I know what this is. It's a thing, yeah. Okay, that might be interesting. It's a whole bunch of Canada flags, all wrapped in together, that you could hang up. Ooh, I'll ponder. I don't feel bad because this was kind of a long drive. Oh, look, here's some teeny tiny little Canada flags. Not so interested in them. Here, I guess these are Canadian flags looking for a stick. They are. Oh, here's a Canadian flag that has a stick. Oh. Okay, what else? Oh. It's Canada hat thing. I don't know if this fits at all. It does. I'm not looking to make off with tons of stuff. I am not. Oh. There's a red sort of handkerchief thing. Cool. What do we got here? Maybe I should just leave this sitting here. Microphone pointing at me. Now here, this is sadly, it's a little dirty. That's kind of funky. What we got here? Another. Oh, kind of tight. That's too bad. Oh, that too would be cool. Maybe. Well, it really doesn't want to. Well, I guess it's kind of standing. Not really. Oh, I think I have seen these before. Look. Push it up. Somehow. Push it up in the middle. Oh yeah, there's a wooden thing it's supposed to go into. And then put it on your head. So look, it's from Canada. Warning tape. Interesting. This too. This is kind of cool. They're kind of tight. Kind of tight. But it would be good to protect the head. Oh. Maybe I should get my hair done. This too. Oh, this looks like it fits pretty well. It does. Oh. And maybe if I pull up, there we go. Cool. Some of these are obviously pretty cheap. But that's not bad. I mean, it's another cheap, not very good. It's almost just a hair above paper. Just a hair above paper. Ugh. Ugh. And then there's a bunch of stickers. Waterproof. Ta-da. I wonder how well they stick. Some of them undoubtedly stick pretty well. Some of them undoubtedly don't. What's in here? Oh, little ones. I wonder. What does this say? Super value collection. Decorate. Wheel. I don't think they're really road worthy. Oh, what is this? It's Northern Reflection. Sure. Huh. Interesting. I shall ponder all of this. Alright. Mugs. Beer things, I think. Ashtrays, I think. Mugs. Oh. Here, oh, there's some little red candles. Little red candles. These hats are pretty cool. But I think they're just not something that fits my head well. So I'll put this back on. Put this back on. Oop. Put this back in. Oh yeah, now these. These are pretty cool. They are. What is this? Okay, this. I must have missed this going in. This is definitely bigger. Definitely bigger. And I don't know. Oh, I guess it's just got. Well, that's weird. Well, maybe this is for a car thing, or no. Maybe this is something like a cape. It's got these arm things. There we go. Ta-da. It's a cape thing. And here's the spinny thing. Ugh. Well, we'll see about this. Ugh. I shall. Oh, it's getting hot in here. It's getting hot in here. Time for a little self-medication. And also, maybe the fan. There's a remote. Is that going to be on high? Yeah, it is. I didn't mean it to be high. There. There. So I will ponder, see what anything else I've forgotten here. I don't think so. Oh, yeah. So, ow. So, yeah. That's pretty cool. Oh, yeah. All right, well, I guess this box I will put back in the car. And, because now it's pretty full again, and I'll decide what I'm going to do. Like, once again, these are really meant to be used once. They certainly wouldn't be good stuck in the rain, but anyway, we'll see. We'll see. And this one is better. It came from Dollarama. I will ponder. Anyway, so there it is, the Canadian collection. And, yeah, I guess I will, at some point, meet up with my brother and pass this stuff along. I shall. So, there's something completely different. Now, I'm not sure what I'm going to do next, but I'll do something. So thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. I'm David Bradley, your host. And, yeah, I should work on something today. I should. I've been working on some Commodore stuff, shocking as that might be. I should do more, but I'll see. I'm kind of tired. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for coming. Go Canada, go. And go Edmonton, go. And, yeah. Yeah. We'll see what happens in the world these days. It's a scary place. But Canada Day is coming. I think I'm ready. Bye for now.